Ancient installation. This is not a natural formation. Anubis statue. Stargate. These jackal statues, I made sure I gave them Egyptian swords. I think it's pronounced Kropesh. I'm not sure. These stargates on the sides of the map lead to each other. The stargate inside their pyramid, well, you'll see in a minute. But yeah, there's various cover inside and places to go and ramps to go up. As you see, there's power-ups in every corner of the inside of the pyramid. All 4 power-ups. This is where the Stargate goes. Yep, we're inside the Jackal statue. Spartan lasers for vehicles and binary rifles for people. You can use them vice versa if you want to. See how there's a slot in the eye socket of that statue? That's where you're shooting to right now. So if someone's like looking at you while you're sniping or shoot at them, they'll see this jackal statue just glaring at them with a laser. It's kind of cool. Actually, it's very cool, but just trying to sound modest. So, 2 warthogs on the map. And 2 scorpions. Scorpions start on the 2 sides where the 2 teams start. You gotta try to run to the top. Before your other teammates, maybe, but at least before the other team, the enemy team, gets to them. You don't want them having 2 tanks. Yeah, I figured pyramid in the desert. Desert must have scorpions. Really big scorpions that shoot at things. For some odd reason, my crosshair, my tank crosshair, is missing. It's better. Still missing though. See that weapon in there? Yeah, all these little rings of cover out here have weapons in them. At least most of them.